Imagine waking up every day to a growing YouTube channel that's making money while you sleep, all without ever having to show your face or even pick up a camera. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not only possible, it's accessible, and today, I tried YouTube automation with AI. We're going to show you how. What is YouTube automation? And how to build an online business. In the next 10 minutes, unlock the secrets of starting your own YouTube automation business, a venture that combines creativity with technology to generate passive income. You've probably come across cash cow YouTube channel ideas like this before, those with thousands or even millions of subscribers and views, yet no recognizable face or personality behind the brand, no distinct voice guiding the content. These channels are often referred to as YouTube automation or faceless YouTube channels. Today, I'll provide a detailed guide on how to start a YouTube automation business in 10 minutes. Many people encounter difficulties with this type of business for three main reasons. Firstly, they burn out. Secondly, they do not utilize the appropriate tools. Lastly, they lack consistency. This is precisely why I'm here to guide you. Today, I'm here to provide you with the necessary tools to transform your ambitions into success. But let's not delay any further. Let's dive right in. The first crucial step, where the potential for earning lies, is to understand YouTube terminology and the significance of each term about YouTube automation step by step. The first term is CPM, which stands for cost per mil. This metric indicates the amount advertisers are willing to pay to display ads on YouTube. It's important to note that this is not the amount you earn from 1,000 views. The next term is RPM, revenue per mil, which shows how much you earn per 1,000 views. The next term is watch time, which, in my opinion, is likely the most crucial metric for YouTube's success. In YouTube Studio, it's also referred to as audience retention. This measures the total amount of time viewers spend watching your video. The last term is CTR, which stands for click-through rate. This measures how often people decide to watch a video after seeing its thumbnail. Remember, YouTube boasts over 2 billion users. YouTube is a treasure trove for both businesses and creators. However, with so many channels competing for attention, standing out can be challenging. If you aim to rise to the top, it's essential to approach your YouTube channel with intelligence and efficiency. This is where automation plays a key role. In the context of YouTube automation, the term typically refers to delegating various tasks to different freelancers. For instance, this can include employing a scriptwriter, a YouTube video editor, a thumbnail creator, and a voiceover artist. Starting out, this approach might be costly as it involves hiring individuals from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and paying them for their services. I recommend not beginning in this manner because it can be expensive for new YouTubers. It's vital to first test the waters and begin posting videos on your own before you consider assembling a team. This is where the value of automation becomes apparent, as it's a more budget-friendly option initially. Once you start generating income, you can then more easily transition to outsourcing these tasks to professional freelancers. To get started, let's focus on automation. I've compiled a list of 6 free tools that will enable you to start creating YouTube videos in an automated manner. Now, when I mention automation, I don't imply that with a simple push of buttons, a video will magically be produced. Our goal is to streamline the process of video creation, making it quicker and more efficient with the aid of AI technology. However, like any venture, this requires real effort. You'll need to conduct research and ensure the quality of your videos is up to standard. If you're hoping for a process that requires no effort, this isn't it. But believe me, the effort you put in is truly worth it. Let's dive into it. To start, you'll need video editing software, and I recommend starting with CapCut and Filmora for their user-friendly interfaces. For creating video thumbnails and animations, Canva is an excellent choice due to its versatility and ease of use. To research and gain insights into your niche, vidIQ is an invaluable tool. It can help you understand what content performs well and why. Lastly, for scripting your videos, leveraging ChatGPT can be a game changer. It can assist in writing compelling video scripts, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. Lastly, for sourcing stock videos, sound effects, and soundtracks, websites like Pexels or Pixabay are fantastic resources. The initial step in this journey is to select a niche. YouTube is vast, boasting an endless array of niches, which can make choosing one seem daunting. While the ultimate goal is to fully automate the process and have a team manage our channel, it's crucial at the start to have a deep understanding of the niche we decide to enter and conduct thorough research. Choosing a niche based on passion isn't mandatory, but it can be beneficial, especially in the beginning, to select an area that genuinely interests you. Currently, some of the most promising niches include business and finance, philosophy, education, marketing, technology, relationship advice, and cryptocurrency. However, there are certain niches you might want to avoid, such as meditation, rain sounds, reaction videos, comedy compilations, movie compilations, top 10 lists, and sports. It's important to note that each niche has its own CPM, cost per mil, and RPM, revenue per mil, rates, but you shouldn't switch your niche simply because you hear about higher earnings elsewhere. Your choice should align with your long-term vision and goals. If you spot an opportunity in the market or have a vision for the kind of content you can offer to an audience, it's better to aim for 500,000 views on a video in a less competitive niche than to struggle for 10,000 views in a highly saturated one. Quick note, if you haven't joined my Instagram page yet, please do. The link is in my description. I'm cultivating a community of individuals eager to improve their lives, build online businesses, and grow daily. Also, if you could subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Now that you've selected your niche, it's time to conduct research and gain an understanding of the niche and your competitors. I recommend beginning by exploring some channels within your niche, bookmarking them, and examining which videos on their channels have been the most popular. You can easily do this by clicking on the Popular tab on a YouTube channel page, which will display their most viewed videos in descending order. This step will help you start grasping the psychology and analytics behind their channel's success and understand why these particular videos performed well. The effectiveness often lies in the thumbnails and titles they've used, offering you considerable direction as you plan or conceptualize your videos. Additionally, you can utilize a website like Social Blade to observe the performance metrics of specific YouTube channels, including their earnings and more. Now that you have a grasp on what the competitors are doing, it's time to actually begin. I advise against immediately hiring freelancers to write your scripts. Instead, use ChatGPT, and I'll guide you on how to effectively leverage this tool for your script writing needs. If you haven't already, make sure to open ChatGPT and create an account. It's free and incredibly valuable. Now, let's proceed to script creation. Suppose you want to start a psychology-based channel that focuses on the impact of broken hearts in every relationship. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a script for you. For example, you might say, "Please create a script for a YouTube video about psychology." The title of the video is "The Impact of Broken Hearts in Every Relationship." This request will guide ChatGPT in crafting content tailored to your specific topic and channel theme. As you can see, ChatGPT is capable of generating an entire script for you at no cost. In less than 30 seconds, we've obtained a script for our video. Now that we have our script, the next step is to get an AI to vocalize our script. I've previously uploaded a few videos using a straightforward, free method. I'll include a link in the description to an alternative option, 11 Labs, which I've found useful. For a long time, I've also used Clipchamp, which is free. You can watch my detailed video on Clipchamp for more insights. Let me guide you through using Clipchamp now. First, go to Clipchamp and sign up for a free account. Once you have Clipchamp open, navigate to the text-to-speech feature. I'll now return to my script to proceed with the next steps. I'll start by copying the script we have, and there we go. Now, I'll select the language option as United States. Let's choose a male voice to narrate our text. You'll need to experiment with the options a bit to find what works best for you, but the incredible thing is that this service is free. It really simplifies the process of getting started. So, what we'll do next is simply press Save to Media, and just like that, it's done. Now, we can export that audio file and refine it as needed. Once you're satisfied with your AI-generated voiceover, you can transfer it to video editing software like CapCut, or use an AI-based editor, such as Clipchamp's Auto Composer, for further editing. For visual content, websites like Pexels and Pixabay are excellent sources for free footage. They offer a wide range of options, allowing you to find footage that aligns with your video's theme. For instance, if your video focuses on the Eiffel Tower in France, you can search for and use relevant, free videos from these sites to effortlessly create your video content. For creating the main part of your video, I've shared 2 invaluable, free tools with you. Now, for the final touch, the thumbnail, let's turn to our reliable resource, Canva. Canva offers thousands of templates to get you started. There's a wealth of tutorials available on YouTube and other platforms that show you how to craft a thumbnail. Alternatively, you can explore AI solutions like Midjourney if you have a clear vision for your thumbnail design. To keep things straightforward for this guide, I won't delve into the specifics of using Canva, as many of us are already familiar with it. A simple strategy is to observe how your competitors design their thumbnails and aim for a similar appeal in your own creations. Remember, YouTube prioritizes 4 key metrics: audience retention, click-through rate, watch time, and session time. When crafting your videos, it's crucial to keep these components in mind, ensuring your content is designed with the viewer's perspective at the forefront. Aim to maintain a brisk pace in your videos to engage and retain viewers effectively. Strive to keep viewers engaged throughout the entirety of your video. With ChatGPT scripts, you have the flexibility to make edits or add elements that will captivate your audience, maintaining their interest. As demonstrated, assembling the components of your video can be swift, showcasing the efficiency of utilizing these tools. However, it's clear that creating content is a multi-step process, supported by a variety of available tools. YouTube automation is indeed achievable, but like all endeavors, success won't happen instantly. It requires time and effort to see results. However, the potential is vast for those who can maintain consistency and avoid burnout. It stands as one of the top side hustles currently available. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video, so please share them in the comments section. If you're interested in seeing a complete series on this topic, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment to encourage the continuation of this new series on YouTube automation for beginners. If you're interested in make a full AI movie in one prompt free, text-to-video AI free, best AI video generator, click on the left. If you want to watch the best AI content writing tool for academic and research, AI grammar article writer, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.